Hello, and welcome to our new week, Module 16. Let's see what we have to do for today. We will start here, Day 1, Monday, January 11th. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Async. The first one is a Nearpod grammar lesson on negatives. The second activity is in your textbook, page 80, Part 1A and B and Part 2A. You're going to read Part 1A and type your answer here in the comment box for 1B. Put 1B and then type your answer. Then you will do the reflect on 2A. So you put 2A and then type your answer and then post. That's it for async. Let's go to sync. So we'll do a few things where we'll do the digital literacy survey. So everybody make sure you're there. And then we're going to do some activities with page 80 and do some asking and answering information questions. There are 3 people who still need to take their final exam, so those people will be in a separate room to do their final exam. And that's it for today. Good luck.